Good morning, viewers. This is the Gender and Child Welfare Program that comes your way every Tuesday from 11 to 12 p.m. I am your host, Ajifatu Jallo. With me here, I have Sergeant Jiba. Mbadiŋol mbaɗigol kal min bara bake ka farle ko alnin albadi malno bijan aji fatou diallo anin sadien djiba ko nka kale ñame wato wati allah gender and child welfare programme o min kanale talata o talata kabo talantan kata fo kabo talantan min kilin kata fo talantan min fula bi ɗum no topic o min soto bi ñanta kamin discourse wala keta salibote ni ko salibo ɗum wo keta kuti min yalon ko it's a tradition na society kono damen yalon ko dindigol ka finti pour kata korda to korda kata blan tan pour ka gift so receive je anin min keta koloti ñin keta kuti min yalon ko it's a very big concern because ni ajibe ni salibo ɗum fanan ko jamal ka ka kele ko jamal ka sabule fana min keta dindigol la karola bari min keta fanan na gender and child welfare officer bi jende min keta jibati naate fanan ba kaca sutola ñinna pour aya kono fanude muɗe bake bari jamin mbita doron nin sadio jiba ñin konton sadio ya jiba
Yes, Aji, thank you very much for the introduction. Thank you. I am Sergeant Abubakar Ejiba at the Gender and Child Welfare Unit. And the topic of discussion today is a very important one. And I thank you.
You're welcome, Sergeant Jiba. Like I said, our topic of discussion today will be based on Salibo, where kids go around from compound to compound in guise of Salibo, that is receiving gifts from family and friends. Bradingol ko nga fale nyan ko na topic ko bi aba based on men na wala ka Salibo te. Jiba nda angale kan ko la bake kato na jiber lal men yalan ko itolle ben fe right now e jamal bije ka prefale pour nga manika kan ko o to wa kan pour baje la ko men keta no topic ko ti kara understand bake jiba ni ko salibo anin dindingol ite e mun na te balle fala
Ali, before starting with Mandinka, I would just, put across this point. Like as criminal investigators, we are not only limited to that. You don't only intend for a crime to come for you to investigate that particular crime. It is also a responsibility to ensure that we sensitize in order to create that prevention mechanisms. I think the prevention aspect of it is very important. Going back to Mandinka, koya ko nyameng ning dunda salula wato kono dindingol ka findi kata salibola. So, dol below da minto. I think prevention and protection is very key. So abuka can deal on sawati for crimes to come. When they come, we will investigate. But it is also the responsibility of them through public sensitize in order to see how best we can create some sort of deterrence for certain things not to happen. Because they are very vulnerable. Come always in Kafanyami. So we they need to be guided. So ni ebula itarre fa mobulu tumando bare kata kule ke biya lo kana ki mandora kuoti. So nyin salibo ku ko nambe wala kono because ka jare to nyalo moment lo mi yalon ko mo be ka kontan family mo be ka kontan bo dindingol in as much as fane be findi la pour kata salibo la alfal nyanti yamar la le ye limit di gal la because walen alpha la ludu that dinne go ibuka abulay fidda fango just like that dinne go danda be findi la fe ina se si ya ya diamond for a time frame dilala na findi da wati juma da nganta mugla na bo ita alpha ita tarno le la bunko sorry ila bunko no dinne way findi for so long ite you are sitting at your comfort zone dinne go be minto banta you don't even know so as a result wala ka ñu risk factor siandi because dindingol peer influence mbe yalo na ka kenyame so wala na kumayata bake le pour nga findi ning moli kaja ka je alfal bi la lo data la nyame ka je ko c'est dindingol ñu guide properly
apare ka bake jiba o kumo ko to bake mbadingol kaliya moy reji ba moy nyame ko dindingol vulnerable which is true dindingol dum kata moti men yalo ko ni findita and to lenyanta kala moti min yala ko to lenyanta kan hakilo tuto because peer influence ko jiba ya kanyame agin ko le min yala ko serious tabakila ni te dino bulo wonya mata fingi rek atata banta abubulan chanchama de o imalo fo abe sinyo mantora kana ban o ate fongo ku abato le meyalon ku abatora kana am jiba ku kono doron sai ntol ite muno soto meyalon ku ibo wala fala alfale to nyanta kamun sin fa nyalla kanin ko
to nyalom tumando bato aji alfal to dunno wal balina kulto but ilo ofin to fanan kono dinno e ka sabto le ando naka da dindin dimi yalon ko ala alfal la kumo moy alfal le sabto min bila la tambila wol ila asmota ta be findila abidala dama ba kulen ba ambida janne min dula kare ni indula kare but you know you have to make sure you take your stand make sure I aerial min identify kakata wolto I limit what but tumando bato naman dang woto peer influence akata ala friends o leje be kudo ko ay ta
afana ita dunje
ya understand
min kala no
so ikaje wato do sallu go ite dinni wol jebe they are roaming around until after 12 a.m. 12 midnight dinni wol if a system o kono that alone aji ite as a parent how do you feel comfortable with that ite be la bunkono 12 a.m. idingo man dunnam bunkono abe minto do you know
no
and trust me ku jamal la kake so especially days like this dinno for me yalonge buka access to ka finti ika jela ko is an opportunity for them you understand so tumando ba de kata dum ku jamal le kono mi yalon ko sinin sama ka mantora ko le na fe na dinno so wala na comme yamaro bita alfa le kan pour ya make sure yi hakilo to wata ba
abaraka baki jiba ufadan keta kuti mi yalon ko asaniyata bakele jiba parents sul dul bije wol bela konte tayaltale kom kuba kute tol buka hay buka follow up itol ni belo as far as itol belo comfort zone la itol ba finding it ku mi yalon ka ba kam bante they don't mind they don't care especially na dinding wala karola parents sul dul fanam bije dum fo akake wulu wala bala falti bang fo mu neketa but then ibuka ke moti men yalon ko ke dingol control nole so dindingol filije wala nyamba men diate ka wala ke men diate ka bara wala sa fintino su kono at any time mo min fanan diate ka dum na su kono wala nyama ando nying sifa dum ika dindingol dolje ika accident ol sota kono dolbi je sa mantoro sota kono men yalon ko you won't even understand especially the musol fango risk factor is especially the musol fango wan safa wala fango mu multi men yalon ko ka problem mo soto nyina baka because ko kake delete men yalon ko is an opportunity pour ye finti je tay fanal lafta ka min ke take
aji ilo ko mo yata bagere ya jele in anything prevention mechanisms katara jele as a parent kana don't be so negligent to a point ye dindingol bule tare fama bulu fani fenketa fani montora ko lata dindingol kan otumo la ko bina hatilema ka bula ko noma what have you done ka make sure ye dindingol protect dindingol they are to be protected because always I take reference from when you cite the Children's Act, when you look at section 3 which talks about the the welfare principles, you go to section 4 care of the parents. And again, if you go to section 22 and 23, responsibility of the parent towards the child and also responsibility of the child towards the parent. So, ibadala dinengol responsibility sorle, but wululan le fanang a bigger responsibility sorto ila dinengol kan. You understand? So, mbeming kekang, yama lolom, pruka make sure, alfal kana dinengol buletari fangol bulu like that. They have a responsibility. And what responsibility it goes down because whosoever is handling because karambungolo institution either an institution organization or whatsoever you have a responsibility. So what responsibility, what are you going to do to ensure you protect because if you don't take your responsibility to protect a child who is under your care, then negligence will come. And in negligence not ko dol le kana soto ko no mi yalo ko tumando wala ka manto la ku jamal le la dinni wol kan so wala nan ko akuma yata bagale pour wululal se nyin kalamta ko ila responsibility lom ka make sure in dinni wol protect dinni wo se tara dun kan ku do ko na amra ko it's normal
yeah
you understand atra is not normal the risk factor for that is so high But what stand are you going to take? Can make sure you didn't know yama, you know, a limit shot la nyaming. It's very important. Didn't know be dunkan kuokukono, enter limit shot la. But niya bula atar afango bulurek, akadun kule kono miliano ko sinin sama mantoro ka warabake, especially with the girl child. You understand it? Not only with the girl child, honey kewol. You understand it? Because most of them, you know, moments like this, that is where they will start doing certain activities. Yeah. The parents, you know, in fact, are not even aware. So, can make sure you dingle monitor, you dingle observe, you need dingle for
kacha. Okumaya tabakela jiba kachanying even for thing akumaya tabakela because as a responsible parent, ikana dingle dango jibe. Because sign tolnga number jamano minko sign dindingol they're smarter than us. They're very, very, very intelligent. So ninkata kuti miyano ko akumaya tabakela put as a parent ESC ini dingole kacha. If you are a father, dingo bebula dinke akumandi ina ESC. Talk to him as a gentleman. Adia mundi aya maria fa dunia kataten and as a man inyanta malatenne inyanta kelatenne because one day you will have responsibilities. Me alon ko inyanta kawalata muso fanang ini di muso sasino le na kacha ya anya fanu di dunia kuwala ya akunu di dunia kuwala because e ka fanya di la dindingol e kata karambungol to but at the end of the day tijalte e karandino la nyimbe la comme last program nga fanya men ko tijalta na dindingol karandino la nyimbe la but kol men ya lon ko as a parent nyanta wala kala wala communication.
Exactly.
Communication is key. It's very, very important, especially in dingol tema because more don't for be fang dingol dojeri imang that parental love for they don't even have it. It must be because they hardly spend time with their parents. Yes. Arapo nyintije don't be ni ba manual form buka kachanu. They cannot talk about anything. Okay, instead ipitali a problem more for outside like explain bundle especially the friends all and at the end of the day will be ne advice minna abukana akuti miya lonko abetiala so ambal danila dorong aliyo space di aliyo environment to create al dingoli damenti alonko alni basino la alni kacha as mature people comme nga fanya malkane dan wajibe sa dingol they are very, very smart. Smart tabakele but then atambita walele ko nga fanya mendro communication is the key so nga wata so jiba ko nga fanya men salibo felentinga kanana ite amira nyim parents sol itol ba mung kulle kenola itol sa mung simfanya la ta ko min kadiya mu dindingole anin ko min ka time wol di la damendele nyanta na la so hono and ite mun mira dal.
Yeah, Aji, before, let me shift to English a bit.
Yeah.
You know, as much as, you know, we are, you know, talking to the parents
yeah.
for them to, you know, take up their responsibilities to ensure that, you know, children under their care are well protected from any form of, you know, harm or anything that could be detrimental to their life. It is also a collective responsibility by all stakeholders. We have a lot of child protection actors, we all have the same objective.
Yeah.
So it requires a holistic effort for actors to come together. Yeah, policy landi miliyalonko wolle fanambe dinningol tankala because ikaje salu dabe caring salu samu o dinningol they go to club aji dinno a child with club dinningol they go to club without the consent of their parent. What would they need they will be there till after midnight.
Yeah.
A club is not a place for a child.
A child, no.
Didn't know a certain events from you know, it's either the parent or the guardian or more than Takadanda. But didn't know be fintilla, if a Sunday in a Wudula Lako they are going to A, at the end of the day they are going to B. So you got for after late night, that is the time the parents will start wondering, you know, do you know it do a moon situation if I but what they happen because of what? Lack of communication.
Communication, exactly.
I understand. Ni dingo ka communicate. Dingo be fintila. Ye dingo you know orient. Ina idea mo danda be fintila. Hanna parata ka kudoke. I understand. Ala mind ba reflect la ko na wulula yin ne fonye. So I cannot go beyond that. But near the no blood just like that. Ako yenga fintila. Ika beti ata. Akata minto. Akata daming. You don't.
Imagining ka.
You see for 12 a.m. You don't see your child and you think that is normal. you know. So wol be mun kulete mi yalon ko nyanta kan hakilo tuje bake mboma fako dinngol kana finti but you know limits le bije. You understand? It didn't know about life in there just like that.
Me kuntu but parents will do bije ba wala nyama. Parents will do bije ba wala nyama. It all as far as dindingo natal do nga sarate la nata ko ko nanta ka finti le de. Abanta dress e mankia. Hani na da fay kay kare bari medi ngoni nin ka kata aminda sa fo ngandingo lonne. Nga kala ngolo nata nyinkela ta kelata ta saylate. Well amon koy mbe jamano min konolem. Dindewol say ko jatale isa fonel ko na binde de kata classes la fam watra fe bu kata classes la e kata da men ni ala doron ne yalo
Absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely.
so ñing ko kuti mi yalon ko a simbo warta bakele but then ñing salibo ko jiba ñanta ka ñing salibo ko emphasize mo le bakele
ñin salibo ko aji tonya comme salibo ko mun fene dim yalon ko adolam comme be nga tara janne yeah but na jiki in those days salibo ka kenyaming ibida badi ko le contract you know ibida la dawoda ila parents will bakalam dala ko kata point A B and C if you do that ni part out like you know then you come back home but saying is a different ball game you know saying the new be sala la ko kata salibola and the parents will consent okay I bet yata but idi ko kata dame ida mo ligante imedi mo fa woni ngai ka findi kata min do ni min dole imo ligante didn't we finti ya ka bring 4 I tara sate kono for 8 I tara sate kono for 12 am abe sate kono mun salibo sifa le wati so asifa risk factor kasia doing kan wol ka soto wolto dinne wol ka sika sabos commencer wolto bad peer influence be ka commencer wolto so walatna is a responsibility for the parent ka make sure ye dingol monitor ya make sure ni dingol be fintila if a fintila, you know, based with conditions. Tumando about okay, you are doing your part, can make sure you guide the child. But if you don't guide, niman didn't want you guide. It means you didn't know just like that. And when that happens, anything can happen to the child. You know, so what I think, you know, is a need as the gender and child welfare unit to also do more of advocacy to at least some sort of prevention mechanisms to talk to people to see how best they can control their children in order for them not to fall, you know, victims of certain, you know, acts that are, you know, unnormal. So, what am I doing?
Jiba kaje fanan ko sign dindingol dul bije meni yanon ko isa fono 11 12 13 14 kata upwards e ka wol fanan ni salu sita ni sali bo wato fon sita fo gularo na de ko sita ka an tol la finti wato man si folo ntol mu ke balati sa ntol la finti wato man si folo so tol la finti wato ke wato mi do ka sutol sutol e tol la finti wato because say I feel like it tol they are big boys and big girls wa katare yela piongol dundile ukatre yela enyanda ka ikafanya dile ela plan so li nyanda ka mimbe hay la rendez-vous yol be se li plan so yol be dala foka pare so ni mo ñol fo nata fam karim paretal de pour kana salibola bukata ya fulan tolla finti wato man si folo I can remember jiban tol tata la fo menta tol dammawol ni salo sita we contribute money ko ko dol tanga contribute tol dammawol na ebelta bi ngam nan burul deda ngadoma so come first day wakake walti so the second day because mbuitala no ya understand so second day dammawol kajele nga nyokur bembe ngata na friend kiliya be kata wolto so bajele di nyin salo nin tol tata so say next salo itol la fanam binalam tolia ya understand tol wutu mon tol kana sali bolke wala nya but say the story is different you just cannot understand
it's different you know aji ko ya fo nyameng in those days abola nyama and nga believe you know and ndakela wala nyama because ni dingo findida ya longo findida because dingo ko face association face but it has to be controlled and guided nin dingo finde ndakana ko dingo finda bala be dul akari and in kari nyol le bije wokuma yata bakela but comme mi fokar rek parents negligence sifa be siata eta fonula ya understand parents face lola ata ya make sure la responsibilities mu minti okay ni findida banda aji salo aning other activities e dindengol je Kenya be Kenya ni dindengol fongo je you tend to question ñunul ibota min dole But I mean to it's so sad. So it means vululal ning caregivers or ning guardians or more responsible in dinner wala man raki low data. Andum hakola min in dinner tema for make sure you low data. You didn't land the silakan. Dinner they are very innocent. A child cannot give consent.
No.
So whatever dinner be min kikan should be guided. That is not right. That is not right. So ko ha fe nyame ni finde dinner al halo do kono. Ike mirare. Fo ñu ma bokor dal ita be siri la bungono dinno be club inna dinno kata club odo kata night club ko nga fe nyame wa dinno ni night club ali ya understand
jiba ñi yang hakilo blandi na patrol do la me yalon ko nene yake no sarakunda and monyol they can attest to that nga dindingol dol nge soto around bijilo la roundabout oto what's the name of that beach again kasumai bijolo roundabout oto jere so when we are patrolling nata fon futa danyin dindingol ba hani aje fon kana ko nyul mu dindingol kewol mu musol mu ibelo they are all kids They were not even up to 18 years.
18.
Trust me. And that was around 2 a.m. in the morning.
Just look at that.
Okay? So nata ngeje watra dobi je bialon ko no wosu telefon na lonne na ala parents lonne. So na ko ne kay ina ga bana mintole. Ko ka bana bichile ka bana party and all. But then after nata case ka ngi samba station auto. So beri ne samba station auto ngi samba first screening KGB pour kaji fe ID card. Ñin dindi won ma 18 years fo. Ima 18 years and tol damangol comme sunkuto na la kambano. So the other one was 14, the other one was 15. So ngi ñinin ka ko atol alla mol le fa la mol buka diya mo ya leva. Dobi jako abama matala times.
Just look at that.
Akana abama matala times to abama ya filije wala nyama. Abama na fama la futu bantala so abama ye fay wala nyama. You understand? So what connection o amantare ana bama tema because hana sita je abuka sido je so fa e bori. Na sita je for a day or two rek fa e boje ay bori atala hajola. Which is very, very, very sad.
It's sad.
Ending up for Nindingol Labagol Kona. I cannot say this on TV. But then Nindingol Labago Kona Niaje Ngafengol Min Bondi, Itafunga Buffalo Honey. Pills, drugs.
Just look at
many alonko they are not even up to 18 years. When in kudo me alonko we cannot talk about them here.
That's serious.
Honestly.
That's serious.
And another girl bije me alonko woko ate abama ayalonne na ba fintikan akalon na ka ba fintikan ya understand but then abuka batandi aya tuje wala nyama yeah which is sad as well.
It's sad
because it ding muso it dingoni ta mo mutano ya control no it expose count into what are you exposing her into?
A lot of risk factors.
A lot of risk factors. You are exposing her to a lot of things, which is very, very bad. And they are not even going to school.
It's sad.
They are not even going to school.
It's sad. It's sad. Definitely.
And you know what happened? Nata doni na parent call Abama na call pura na di nyinka. Surprisingly, akona na kumuje alahaji tije. She's not coming.
That is a parental failure.
Yes.
That
she's not coming. Namantara kana dingo pick at the station. Dingo filije wala nyama, which is very sad.
Definitely. It's sad. It's sad. At times you come across certain, you can across certain things you can try to analyze level, but you cannot even understand. So come, parents will still they have a role to play. Always the upbringing of a child, in as much as the state has a responsibility as the duty bearer, but the core of it is at the family level. So the family plays a very important role in the upbringing of the child. So imagine that the anyanta guidance ni support min sotla from the family namo solo tumando baro akakolia bagale so the family they have a key role to play. I remember a program of Dokenunjang which was child neglect and abuse. Nga factor sol jube min ka tin na dindingol dul fanan katali fa won dul like that. Separation is part of it.
Yeah.
You know, poverty is part of it. But again, just to come back to your point, actors in child protection, should come together. Kajeko, your policy landi milia longo, what policy lebe dindingo makela. You go to a nightclub. Should a nightclub owner allow a minor, to go to the club?
No.
In the event it happens, what is going to be the outcome for that club owner? So, it's a collective responsibility.
Yeah.
Can make sure we fight for something that is undone. And then personally, I have a problem with that because how is that possible? How can you organize a show for kids? For after midnight. Didn't know your consent to go. Some of them, their parents in fact are not even aware. So all of these things are is not good for our kids, and it's a collective responsibility. But again, the family unit is very important. So is important that we are talking to parents. Make sure, now they are smart. If you are not mindful, your kids can be smarter than you. At times they outsmart you. But as a parent, you should be smarter than your kids. Don't allow your kids to outsmart you. So first low data, make sure you observe and monitor. Understand? You need to know. First make sure you do follow-ups to know what your child is into. If you don't do that, they know better you will never know. Last time, when they are together with their parents, they will be so innocent. They will just show you what you need. They will give you a different pretext. You understand it? But if they move out there, you wouldn't even believe what they can do. So as a parent, you need to, step up, can make sure you monitor. Because in doing that, you are protecting the child. You are guiding the child. It's not about being hard on the child, but set clear policies. This one is no-go area. First satro landi dinno nyanta bula satro minno ni mo kerek dinno better la famole bulu and at the end of the day akamandora jamale la dinno kan.
Right, all right. Jiba hanibi nyinin karo bembulo kono ko ye me fo jam club owners mini yalon ko ka dindingol durbule ka dung ila club kono when they are not even up to 18 years. So ite luwa mun fo nyulla karola mini yalon ko to letam club bolte foka pare ka dindingol bule ka dung club kono comme ni luwa ye muta ite amira be kala nyadile.
It's not right. It's not right. But when it comes to child protection, it's a collective, responsibility. That is why I made mention for actors to come together and then create something that is going to be robust against. If you're fighting something collectively, it becomes easier for you to overcome it. But if you want to do it in silo without the coordination of other actors to see what best can be done to avert such things, it becomes difficult. I know it's happening, but it's difficult to deal with, and it should be addressed. That is why I made mention of actors coming together, because the police is key. You understand? We have a role to play, but you cannot be in these places all the time. What role you might see or be aware of certain things happening, but perhaps based on one or two things you feel is wrong, but you feel like something needs to be done. That is why it's important for actors. We have a lot of child protection actors. It's just like flagging it up for them to understand that this thing is happening, and collectively we need to do something about it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jiba. Badingol kariya moy nyame. bidum na topic of discussion kitamite wala kita salibote nga nata jam pour natol parents ol nali diamo pour kaje ko mbasim fanyal mentala meyalo ko be denden de dingdingol la karola be sinte bulano wala wanyama fo nga ke moti mi yalo ko mbakela diamo lalati nzake moti mi yalo ko mbakela wakil lalati because mo be yalo ne ka fanya dile dimbaya man dia dimbaya ma easy sako saimba dimbaya min sota sain e kata multi men yalon ko e kungol jata dol bije buke moy dol bije they are smart ko jibaya fu nyamen ko we should not allow our kids to outsmart us but then ila jamano la bo nyama so we have to accept that but then hani obe vanasa ke parents ultimate yalon ko we are smart and then we should know na semfa nyanta ka wala ne anu fana nyanta ka na dindingol kulu nyame nyanta ka sartol millay ni ajibe fanjiba parent anyanta ka sarto so to miyalon ko anyanta ka wala landa di woye ya understand because ika dindingo doje asasi 411 atason natale la abatara je wol nyama ni kebal ko kilinga ko tan asatara mol ko don wo nyama ate lala abatar la je wala nyama an wo sa mu school isa bay nyaaw nya kari tela katela akatara je wala nyama ñu be ke to kulti mi yalon ko they all under one umbrella so fonga ke pere solti men yalon ko mbasatol lalan dingole nin ko nyinom salon ko wala ni die ma fala biyo na kam fa wala biyo bawa so be yar nyanda kala tenne at the end of the day e kaji le fongi dindingol ni they adapt to it e baji ko hani 10 sita fa bafale la wato sita lamba to ngatalla jandi baba minan num wala jandi bama na binan num you know ñun mu kulati mi yalon ko de so important badingol fanan sa fale ko na programme mo mbadan na jane because menum min kachaka wala kata saliboti mi yalon ko be nyanta kan hakilo tuje because na dindingol ka fintile e kata dulal to tarine ibo futala manol kan comme kata dula jamalto andu dindingol dolbe je ni frena manol kan fang italon da fay be manol fon cross nyambo how they don't even know how to use the road which can lead to accidents you know ñud be to kuti mi yalon ko san hakilo tuje hani ka finti fa sa kari al felal bita sal bol bara kana futa manol kan you know abe ba advice wala ko ha bari sa fale ko mba na programme dan na jande bar janim bita sajin jiba itas yemuna so de min fala Gambia no le
baraka bake comme memur la kuma kilingole kan comme communication is very important there should be this communication between the parent and the child communication is key ni dinde ngo buka communicate anu fu kedala abe silala la pour kana ku fu so first o room create pour ni dinde ka communicate in the event fama fen kedala abe confidence of the you know to relay that to you but no gap be you know a lot of things will be happening and they will not have the courage to communicate to you so be dunkan salo la kono for parents will didn't also communicate yeah limit the girl you understand ni be finti la fana wato le biji ka understand it's not right they didn't know bullet ay tara fo budo ay findi for you know talentanding fula suto ite be la bungo no dingo be banta be minto banta you don't know so for wulula se la do data ka make sure you dingo monitor because they have a responsibility. So wala na yamaro ti aji.
Thank you so much Sergeant Jiba ila yamaro kumayata bakela mbadingol ko aliyamo inyamendoro na gender and child welfare program wala min kanali jan talata wo talata ka bo talantanin kilin ka tafata lantanin fula anal badim malam aji fatu jalo ala baraka bage.